Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll learn Python lists using a simple grocery shopping example. Even if you're new to programming, you'll understand it easily. Imagine you're going shopping and need to buy milk, bread, eggs, and apples. Instead of remembering everything, you make a shopping list. In Python, that's called a list, a collection of multiple items stored together. In Python, we write shopping equals, open bracket, milk, bread, eggs, and apples, close bracket. Want to see the whole list? Just use print shopping. Every item has a position called an index, starting from 0. Milk is at index 0, bread is at index 1, eggs at index 2, and apples at index 3. To get only bread, we write print shopping 1, output bread. Oops, you forgot butter. Add it like this. Shopping.append, open parentheses, butter, close parentheses. Now, butter is added to the end of the list. Already have eggs at home? Remove them. Shopping.remove, open parentheses, eggs, close parentheses. Need to know how many items are left? Just call len shopping, and Python will count them for you. So remember, a Python list helps you store multiple items, access an item, add new items, remove items, and count items. Think of it as your digital shopping list, easy to create, update, and manage. That's the power of Python lists. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more simple Python tutorials. See you in the next video.